Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. If you are one of my regular followers, please let's not forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, let's not forget to subscribe. Please let's stay into the end so you can see a few new DIYs that I did at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is just grab a foam board and measure 20 inches to the top, and then you're just going to go ahead and make the line across. Then you're going to bring it down and you're going to measure to 4 inches, and then you're going to go ahead inside and measure to 2 inches, and you're going to go ahead and do the same thing that you did to the other side. After that, you're going to grab a ruler and you're going to do it to both sides. Just bring it down across like that. After that, this is your shape. You're just going to go ahead and cut it out. After you cut it out, you're going to measure your size, and you're going to cut out all the sizes to the same size that you measure, and make sure you measure all the sizes 4 inches width so they could be the same size. Then you're going to cut it out. After you have all your pieces cut out, what you're going to do is just put some hot glue. You can always use E6000s for better attachment. Then you're going to grab your hot glue and glue your balloons inside your shape. After that, you're going to go ahead and draw a cactus. If I could do a cactus, you could draw one too. I am very horrible at drawing, so it came out pretty good. If I could do it, so can you. Then I'm going to go ahead and just cut it out. And this is how it will turn out. After this, you will grab another foam board and you're going to measure 4 inches, and then you're just going to go ahead and cut it out. After that, you're going to take this piece and you're going to slide it just in the middle of the foam board. Don't cut it all the way through. I'm going to show you why we're doing this. Then we're going to take it and grab it and bend it just like that so it could be bendable. So then we're going to just go ahead and attach the other pieces. And we're going to attach that bendable piece that we did and put it on the side just like that. Then we're going to cut off the extra pieces and we're just going to go ahead and glue it too. Then this is how I did it. Just put your hot glue on the side and just follow through the shape and attach it to it just like that. And there you have your shape. Then we're going to take a few balloons and blow them up and attach it the same way we did the other ones. And this is how beautiful it turns out. As you can see the gap. If you don't want it to see the gap at the inside, you could always just put little ones on top. For this DIY, you will need 4 candle holder. I already used this for another centerpiece before, so I'm just going to use it because this part won't show. So then I grabbed these plastic container. They have it in Dollar Tree as well. This is for another centerpiece that I did. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top. Then I took a piece of pan, I spray painted at the front, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the top. Remember to use E6000s. I'm using glue just for the purpose of the video. So I turn out the centerpieces upside down and make sure to place the pan upside down, and then I glue it to the bottom. And this is how it turns out. So then I took this poster board paper and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the side of the pizza pan. So just go ahead and put your hot glue and attach it to it. Just continue attaching it until you do the whole thing around it. Then you will see that this missing the bottom part. You will take another piece, just cut it out the same size and attach it to the size that you're missing. And this is how it turns out. Super cute. I attach a few flowers and a cactus at the front. and it looked just super cute. For the next DIY, I just grab an empty bottle, cut out some paper into little pieces and put them inside, just like that, until I fill up the whole bottles. Then I just cut out a few cactus sides and I'm just gonna hot glue them to the side, just like that. Then I took a cute little flowers and I'm just gonna glue it to the top of the bottle. And this could be a very cute centerpiece. For the next DIY, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a cactus just like that. It's pretty simple to draw, guys. It seems hard, but it's really not. So after drawing, it turns out just like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. After I cut it out just like that, this is gonna be my template. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it and trace it on my green paper. And I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat these as many time as you would like. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and make their face. I just made two little eyes and a mouth. You could always put letters in it. If you are going to do it, I suggest you measure it before you put it, so you can put it the same size that it will fit inside. So then after you do that, what you're going to do next is just grab a string and put it backward and put some tape at the back of the string and the shape. And this is how cute it turns out. And this is how beautiful it turns out. I also have the favor boxes and the cupcake toppers. If you're interested, you can always look at my Etsy shop. I will put the link down below. And this is how cute everything turns out.